We're 1,000 miles from comfort.
Okay.
How you recycle?
Okay, so I'm cutting up this plastic bag so that when it goes in the ocean, it does not hurt the animals. Can you pick that up?
Previously on how to recycle.
Yes. I'm cutting up this bag.
We're saving the world here.
Miss Colucci. Oh, it's the Save the Earth challenge, and
She's winning. Woo! She's cutting up the bag so no animals choke on
I
it.
was nominated. I made this up now. I was nominated by myself, and now I nominate everybody that's in my class.
Ooh!
So if you're near in my class and you see this, you should do it, because I nominate you.
Oh.
Stop doing that. You're ruining it.
Okay.
It's not funny. Are you getting it?
Yes.
Ew, don't videotape the trash can. Just
It's
videotape.
just a bunch of paper.
Okay, now you can do it in time lapse.
Okay, that's it, people. Bye.